In this video I'm going to show you how to add pages, delete pages, and also duplicate pages. Also, we will go through adding features to our app. The first thing we need to do is click Create New App. Select any template. I'm just going to use Mobile Shop for an example. Next, we need to select Use this template and give this a name. Please note that the application ID can be changed at a later point when publishing. Click on Create. You will then be asked to select which platform you want your app for. You can skip this step and select Configure later. Select Done. So we have four main tabs. These are tab 1, tab 2, tab 3 and tab 4. If we want to edit tab 1 or create a new page, we can use these features here. The plus button is to add a new page. The minus button is to remove a selected page. This is to duplicate a selected page, and this is to rename it. For your four main tabs, the easiest thing to do is to select the Edit button here on tab 1. This will edit the first tab here. Select Edit. This will take you to the following window. Select Convert Page and select Grid View for easier viewing. This will display all the different page types and features within AppZero. For this example, we're just going to use a basic HTML page for tab 1. Select the page and click on Convert. Click on Design, and this will allow you to edit all the text on your tab 1. There is also a toolbox here where you can center text, add images, hyperlinks, and lots more. Click on Save and Done. This page will now appear at tab 1. So let's do tab 2. Let's say we want a menu style for tab 2. We click on Edit on tab 2. Click on Convert Page. Select Grid View. And let's have a look at different menu styles. Here are the menu page types. Let's select List Menu for an example. Once you have your menu selected, scroll down and click on Convert. This will allow you to edit the text and images on the right hand side. Let's do one example. First, we have an image here. We can upload our own image, or we can delete the image altogether. This will appear on the left hand side. Next, we have the title. We can simply change this text and it will appear live here. We can link this tab to a particular tab within the app, or a URL, or an external URL, which would be a website link. We would simply follow the process all the way down the page. Next, we need to edit this part. Go to page 2. Simply select Go to page 2. We can upload our image or remove an image. We can add a title. Okay, so let's just call this Topic 2. And we can link this to a particular page. Again, you would just select Go to page 3 and change the text, and so on. You can also come back and edit this at a later point. So for now, click Save and Done. This menu will now appear on tab 2. So tab 1 is our page with text. Tab 2 is our menu page. So let's say we wanted to add a feature to tab 3, like a chat messenger. We would simply click Edit on tab 3, click on Convert Page, select Grid View, and pick the feature that we wish to insert into our app. For this example, we're going to insert a messenger feature. This will allow users to chat to each other within the app. Select any feature and select Convert. This will then allow us to add conversations to the messenger. Please see the video how to add a messenger feature for more details on this particular feature. This feature will now appear on tab 3. So now we have to edit tab 4. Let's say we wanted to put a contact form on tab 4. Again, we would follow the same process. Click Edit and Convert Page. Any feature can be implemented, but for this example we're going to use the form feature. This will allow users to contact us using the form. You would simply click on Convert and Save and Done. You can edit the form. Please see the video on how to add a form feature to your app. Okay, so that's how you would edit your basic 4 tabs. So let's say you wanted to add another page and link your menu page to that page. For example, let's say on tab 2 you wanted to link this particular menu section to a page. First you would need to create that page by clicking on the plus button. This will ask you to choose a particular page type or a feature. So for this example we're just going to select a content page. This will allow us insert text into this particular page. Click on Next and you will be asked to name your page. You could name it anything you like and click Create. Usually the page would be named the topic of that page. Click on Save and Done. We now need to link our menu to this new page we've just created. So we go to our menu page on tab 2, click on Edit and go to topic 1. We can link this to the page we just created within the app. If we click Save and Done and test this now, we can test it. If we select topic 1, it will slide to our content page. Let's do that one more time, but this time we will link to a feature. First we need to create that feature. Click on the plus button and let's insert a countdown timer. This is great for recipe apps. Click on Next and you can leave it countdown timer 1.html. Click on create. We can edit the timer. For example, if our app was about slow cooker recipes, we would simply put that in here and it would change accordingly. Click on save and done. We would now need to link our second topic to that timer. So we can click on edit. Let's change the wording from topic 2 to timer. And it will change here. We can change the image to a timer by changing the image here, uploading our own image. And we would simply link to the timer. Click on save and done, and let's test that. If we click on timer, it will slide to our countdown timer. Okay, so that's how you add pages and add features and link them together within your app.